Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing something to the FG. We're doing this grill, deleting it and replacing it with the Mackielec Grill. So it should look a lot better than that. So let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is undo these little plastic clips here and here, because that'll take the front of the grill. And then we're also going to need to lift off the front, all these little ones here, and take this plastic cover off. So we'll get into that. Okay, so now that we've got those off, just that will lift straight off, and just got to unclip it from the grill. So it's just slid on there, so you just need to give it a nice little bit of a lift, because it just clipped on. There we go. So it's a little difficult getting those off because they're really stupid clips. So you might need a screwdriver just to help push it in. But yeah, once you get those off, we can move on to down here. And we're gonna reach in there and pull the same types of little clips out of there, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I can feel them. There we go, so we'll unclip those. So that's off now. So all it is just reaching your finger in there and it's pushing on it, and they'll pushing and then lifting the grill, and then that'll come straight out. So there we go, no grill on it now. Alrighty, so now that that's off, we can grab our Mackielec Grill here and just slot that, wrong way around, there we go, and just slot that into there. So that, line all those up, and just push it down until it clicks in, just like that. Now these will, there, just line up there, and then that'll be it. And we can put the black cover back on, and then we'll see how it looks. So we're getting that plastic thing back on now. So same thing, putting your little black clips back in. What I did is I just got some side cutters and I cut all these little plastic clips off so they didn't hang down in front of the grill. So it's all nice and flush. So yeah, we'll get those in. So now that's in now, and look at that. One Mackielec Grill installed. It looks really nice, and it's gonna come up really good in the photos. There we go. So soon I will be getting a FGX series XR6 badge, which will go in this top corner here. I'll stick that up on there. So I'll say XR6 on the front. Yeah, that's it. That's how you do a Mackielec Grill install. It's really simple. I doubt this video is going to be more than 5 minutes long. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. Any questions at all, just feel free to ask on the comments. My Instagram's at BlazeRedEF or at NitroFGXR6, either one of those. You want to shoot me a message, then shoot me a message. Try and give us a follow if you can on those. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys.